Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Today in this session we are going to learn about order of operation. Now first of all, what is order of operations? Actually, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, these are the 4 operations. We call them 4 operations. But up till now you know how to solve addition, subtraction separately, same way division and multiplication separately. But what if we have a bigger operation number, sums, complicated sums. Example, if we have 45 divided by 5 minus 1 plus 3 multiplied by 7. So you have seen that we have different signs over here: division, subtraction, addition, multiplication. These types of sums are called 4 operation sums or order of operations. Now, how do we solve these operation sums, 4 operation sums? By following a rule called DMAS. D-M-A-S, DMAS. Now, D means what? D means divide. D means divide, M means multiply, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Now, how do we solve it? We solve the way it is written, DMAS. Yani first we solve division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. But how do we solve it? We have to see this rule that we have, if we have division or multiplication, we have to solve from left to right. Same way for addition subtraction, we have to move from left to right, means we see from left side which number written on left, and then we are going to solve the other number with that particular addition or subtraction. Now we are going to solve 1 or 2 sums first to solve with following the DMAS rule. Now as you can see, I have written some sums over here. All these sums have more than 1 operations. Now remember, by following DMAS rule we will solve these problems. Number 1, 12 minus 5 plus 8. Now in DMAS rule, as we know that we have addition over here, but we know that we have to move from left to right. So if we have both addition and subtractions, we always move from left side. In left side we have which operation? Subtraction. So we will solve subtraction first. Means 12 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then we add 8 over here. 7 plus 8 how much? 15. So 15 is your answer. How do we solve it? We solve first from the left hand side. So from left hand side we know that 12 minus 5 we are going to solve. Same method we follow number 2. Here we have plus sign first and minus sign afterward. So you will say, miss, we have to do the minus first. No. In DMAS rule, again, either whatever written first, addition, subtraction, we have to move from the left. We have to move from left towards the right hand side. So on left side we have which sum? Plus. So we are going to solve the plus first. 3 plus 4, 7. Now we can easily subtract 2 from 7. 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. So 5 is your answer. Now look at these two sums. In these two sums we have division and multiplication. Now according to DMAS rule, division is first, but we have to move from left to right. So on left side we have division first, so we will solve the division first. 18 divided by 2, how much? When comes 18 in 2 table? 2 9s are 18, and then we multiply with 3. 3 9s are 27. So 27 is your answer. Now in this we have multiplication first and then we have division. But as we know that we have to move from left to right for addition and multiplication. So on left hand side we have multiply sum first. So if we multiply 5 with 4 first, 5 4s is 20. So we write 20 here, and then we divide with 2. So when we divide 20 with 2, we get 10. 10 is your answer. So up till now we have done only 2 operations. Now we are going to solve if we have more than 2 operations in one question. Now look at this question. This question has 4 different operations, that is addition, division, subtraction and then multiplication. But if we follow DMAS rule, we have to do addition for division first, D for division, so we follow division first. So means first we solve 54 divided by 2. Okay. So if we solve 54 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So it means our answer is 27 is a quotient. Now how do we write this? 6. We already solved this sum. What is the answer? 27. 6 we copy as it is because we have not solved 6. Then addition we have not solved. So we copy addition, and what will be the answer of division? 27. Then 4. Then multiply sign. Now after division, what we solve next? We solve multiplication next. Here we have multiply. So first of all, we multiply 4 5s are, that is 20. Now let's write again the whole question the way is it written. 6 we have to copy same plus 27. Now look at this one. Now we are looking at the question. In question we have already solved division. So now we see the next equation or next sum which is solved. 6 plus 27. Again minus sign we copy. Then we have multiplied 4 5s, that is 20. So we copy 20 here. Now in according to DMAS rule, which one we solve first? Addition. So 27 plus 6 is how much? 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So we write 33 minus how much? 20. 33 minus 20 how much? 13. So 13 is your answer. Now remember, how do we solve first? In this question we have solved division first, and then we copy same 6 plus 27 is the answer, then minus 4, and then we multiply next. Then we got the answer of multiplication. Then again we solve this number 6 plus 27 minus 20 because we multiply. Now again we have to add addition. Addition we have written 33, then minus 20, we got 13 answer. Now let's solve another problem and practice it. Now look at this sum. This sum has again 4 operations, but now we have multiplication first, then subtraction, then addition, and then in the last division. So, as we know, following the DMAS rule, division is first, but I have told you even in DMAS we have division first. We have to move from left to right. So, on the left side, which one is first? Multiplication. So, we multiply first. Here we multiply 7 with 30 first. So, in the rough column, right, multiply 7 with 30, 3 0 0, 7 is 21, 2100 is your answer. So, 2100 is the multiplication. Then copy, minus 10, copy, plus 150 divided by 3. Now, which one will solve, which one will be next operation? Now, again after multiplication we have to solve what? Division from left to right. In division and multiplication, okay, we have to move from left to right. Now, as you see in this question, we have multiplication on the left and division on the right hand side. So, now we solve the right hand side division. So, first of all we write simply 2100 minus 10. Now, plus sign we have to copy and then we divide 150 with 3. 150 with 3. 3 5 is the 15. 0 copied. So, 50 is your answer of this division. We write 50. Now, again if you look at this question, 2100 minus 10 plus 50. Now, we have both the signs. Now, according to DMAS rule, addition is first, but we have to move from left to right. So, we have to see which number we have to solve first. We have to solve the subtraction first. In addition and subtraction, we have to move from left to right. So, left side पे हमारे पास क्या है? Subtraction है, तो इसलिए हम पहले subtraction ही solve करेंगे. That is 2100 minus 10. So, what will be? 0 0, sorry, 10 minus 1 9, then answer is 2090. Then we do what? We have already done subtraction. Now, we are only left with 50 number of addition. So, plus 50. $2090 plus 50, we will do it. Our answer is 2140. But remember, when you are solving the 4 operation sums, we have to follow the step wise. We have to solve it step wise. First, we do the left side sum, then the right side sum, then for addition subtraction again we solve left, then again we solve right side. I hope you all understand the 4 operation, the order of operation following the DMAS rule. Stay tuned for the next session.